Welcome back, fellow tech enthusiasts. It's 2023, and the programming landscape is evolving faster than ever before. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting your coding journey, staying up to date with the latest programming languages is crucial.
If you want to stay ahead of the curve and dominate the tech scene, you've come to the right place.
We're about to reveal the top 5 programming languages to learn in 2023, so, if you want to level up your programming skills and boost your career prospects, keep watching. Kicking off our list at number 5 is Rust. Known for its performance, safety, and low-level control, Rust has gained popularity among developers looking to build systems where performance is key. For example, game engines, system-level software, and high-performance web applications. Rust has been ranked the most loved programming language ever since 2016. The language provides high-level simplicity combined with low-level control, and just like C and C++, Rust is primarily intended for low-level systems programming. Additionally, Rust places emphasis on speed and security. A significant priority is given to writing safe code to prevent programs from accessing unauthorized memory areas. This safety-first approach effectively mitigates the risk of encountering unexpected behavior and system crashes. Its unique memory safety features and absence of garbage collection make it a robust language for concurrent programming. With companies like Mozilla and Microsoft embracing Rust for their projects, learning this language is a smart move for anyone interested in system programming or cybersecurity. At number 4, we have Kotlin. This versatile language, which runs on the Java Virtual Machine, has taken the Android app development world by storm. With Google announcing Kotlin as an official language for Android, its adoption has skyrocketed. Kotlin's conciseness, null safety, and seamless interoperability with Java make it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced Java developers. Whether you're creating mobile apps or diving into back-end development, Kotlin is a language that's definitely worth adding to your skill set in 2023. Coming in at number 3 is TypeScript, a superset of JavaScript. In recent years, JavaScript's popularity has soared, and TypeScript has emerged as the go-to choice for building large-scale web applications. Its static typing system enables early detection of errors and better code maintenance. Embraced by major tech companies like Microsoft, Airbnb, and Slack, TypeScript offers an easier transition for developers already familiar with JavaScript. As web development continues to flourish, mastering TypeScript will give you a competitive edge in the job market. Now, at number 2, we have Go, also known as Golang. Developed by Google, Go has gained traction for its simplicity, efficiency, and concurrency support. With applications ranging from back-end development to cloud services and even blockchain technology, Go has proven to be a versatile language. It boasts a strong standard library and a growing community of developers. As industries like cloud computing, IoT, and blockchain continue to grow, learning Go can open up exciting career opportunities in cutting-edge technologies. And finally, taking the top spot on our list is none other than Python. Python has been a favorite among developers for years, and its popularity continues to soar in 2023. Known for its readability, ease of use, and versatility, Python finds applications in web development, data science, artificial intelligence, automation, and much more. Its extensive libraries and frameworks like Django, Flask, and NumPy empower developers to build complex applications rapidly. Additionally, with the rise of machine learning and AI, Python has become the language of choice for many data scientists and researchers. There you have it, our top 5 programming languages to learn in 2023. Each language on this list has its unique strengths and applications, so consider your interests and career goals when choosing which one to explore. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you found the information helpful and insightful. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to hit the like button and consider subscribing to our channel for more exciting videos like this. Share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments below. We love hearing from our viewers and value your feedback.